In this screencast, we will demonstrate how to assign Bobs directly within PlayPosit. It will bring more possibilities for instructors and administrators to utilize PlayPosit for other purposes, like providing training or professional development. For users who used to launch PlayPosit from their learning management system, please follow the steps to create a password to log into PlayPosit outside of the LMS first. For users that used to log in from PlayPosit's website, please log in as usual. After launching PlayPosit, click on the name on the top of the sidebar menu, select User Settings, and type in a password in the Update Password section. Then click on Update Password to save the change. This password will not affect the ability to use PlayPosit from the learning management system. Once the password is set, please visit PlayPosit's website, select Login, and log in with your email and password. To assign a class within PlayPosit, instructors need to create a class first. Please navigate to the Classes page with the sidebar menu, and click on Add New Class to create a new class. After creating a class, instructors can now start assigning Bobs to it. Please go to My Bobs page with the sidebar menu. Click on the thumbnail image or the triple dot icons of the desired Bob and select Assign. On the pop-up window, find a class to set a due date for this Bob, and click on the link button behind it. Before copying the assigned link, please click on the Advanced Settings to expand and configure the settings to best meet your need. Toggle on Show Embed Code can make the Bob embeddable to websites. If this Bob is made for professional development for other instructors, you can toggle on the Assign for Professional Learning option. By doing so, they will need to sign in to their PlayPosit instructor accounts to take this Bob. And if this Bob is for both instructors and learners, please select the Assign Any Login option, which will require learners to log into their account to access the Bob. If your audiences may not have a PlayPosit account, or you do not need them to log in, please select the Do Not Require Login option. If this option is on, learners must enter their first and last names before taking the Bob. If you do not need the learner's name either, please also toggle on Do Not Require Learner Name option. By doing so, all learners will become anonymous when taking the Bob. After configuring the settings, copy the link or the embedded code and send it to learners. Instructors can also follow a similar workflow to assign playlists. Please navigate to the Playlist page with the sidebar menu. Click on the icon in front of the desired playlist and select Assign. Pick a class and set the due date, then click on the link button behind it. Just like Bob's, there are some advanced settings for assigning the playlist. Playlists can be embeddable, assigned to audiences with PlayPosit student accounts, or assigned to users with instructor account for professional development. Instructors can also assign playlists to the public, which do not require learners to log in but will ask them to type in their name. Or also, toggle on the Do Not Require Learner Name option to make all learners of this playlist anonymous. The last option will allow any user with PlayPosit account to access the playlist. After learners taking the Bob, please go to the Classes page and select the gradebook behind the desired class to see learners' grade for each Bob. Instructors can also click on the Bob's name on the top to open the monitor page for the Bob, and see more detailed information about learners' responses to the selected Bob. Please click on the back button on the browser to go back to the gradebook page. Please note that the Bob assigned with this workflow will not pass back grades to the learning management system, but instructors can export learners' grade by clicking on the Data Export icon on the top right.